people happy by giving them what they want, and what they want is coffee, and I give them what they that, and even those community helpers, they say, "How was your day?" and what were you doing? It's time for me to show my tools now. This is a real cup. This is not, it's kind of like a cup. Like you put milk inside it, and then you steam it with this thing. I don't know what it's called. And then it makes it hot. And then you pour it inside. Cups. Oh, actually, you pour it inside the cup, and then and then this. I gotta get the grinding thing. And then you put the coffee in. I don't need the top from this coffee filter. Sorry. And then you get this, and then put it right here, and then smush the coffee inside, and it goes both ways out of this. And then you pour the milk inside there, and by the way, this is what coffee is. That's a real coffee. And by the way, we don't need this. I wanted to show it and give it to Mr. E too.
What?
I want you to have it. Because he likes here.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Extra surprise for you.
Hey, Julian. Can you tell what is in the bag?
Coffee.
So,
It's just beans, but not coffee.
can you tell us how does the beans become coffee?
You grind it. You grind it with a grinder. What is a grinder? And then watch here. You know what? Can you help me top back on?
Yeah.
And then they get one of those tops from the counter, and then they shake. I think they don't shake it up. And even they got this tab because they got this top because they don't want to burn the people that have the coffee, don't want to burn themselves. That's why they have a top. And even you should never play with these stuff ever because they're kind of heavy. Never. If your dad or mom works at a cafe, and you come there, your dad and mom, and have breakfast there, and you want to go and you see what those, if you see one of these and these, please be careful. They're very, very, very breakable, but they're not that.
Thank you. Nice job.